Hey guys, it's Pro Trader Mike. Welcome to the webinar. What's going on, Brandon, Elijah, Chibwe, golf trader? Hey guys, it's Pro Trader Mike. Yeah, everything's working good. On YouTube, welcome. Let me just give a little tweet out from my webinar. So let some more people come into the webinar. I'm going to show you today how about the my video for today, which was pretty spectacular with the trading. My live trading on S-Spot today. Let me show you. We get right to the open. I was talking about mining in the beginning. See, it's 9:28. 55. If it goes higher, we read stellar bio. Watch how I call out this trade play too. Okay, watch, listen. Technologies and 282 looking pretty hot to shop right there. SBOT on 2.1 million, high 297. There we go. I don't think we have to go much further. SBOT. See at 283, 284. Let's take a position to Heinz 3. To Heinz $3. Watch. We take a position right here, sequence to $3 on the Heinzy. Right there. That's rock and roll, boys. That's first trade right there with that in the MOJO room. So right here, we're going to do a sequence. We're going to get 80, 85, 90. 94 sell at. If it dips, you mark it out. If it goes higher, rebuy 99 and sell through quick. It's going to dip back to stopping station 72 to 77, 77 to 82. We're going to re-entry there for number one scale. From there, if it dips, we wait 51 to 55. If it goes higher, we re-entry right there, 79.80, selling 84.89. I mean, you can't be much more like precise than that. Damn, dude. Already laid you the first two trades, boys. Okay? Already laid you the first two trades. So we're not going anywhere from SBOT. Okay? Chocobow goal, 20,000. So you guys can appropriate your own size off my goal. I'm sequencing the 20,000 like this. 1,000. 2,000, that's 2,000, and then I go 15,000. Right there. 1, 2, 2, 5. And right now I got my first two at 288. Okay? We got 18,000 to go. See how she opens. You see what ACRX is doing right here. 230 on mini Hines, 5-cent spread. I don't really like it. This one's better. It's got a 1 penny spread. Everyone's in my room following this stuff. Put your glasses on, boys. Put your glasses on, guys. Do it. Don't be a freaking pig to that. Okay? Here we go. This is just the first of many trades we're going to be doing in the MOJO. Here we go. Market's open. 95. There's a signals up top. There's one down below, 86 or 112. These are the 95 stops. Take it now. Take it now. Told you. There's a second one. Told you. Sold. Made $1,000 already. Yeah! Come on, baby. Yeah! 10,000 left. Made 2 grand. 5,000 left. 3,000 left. Look at that. 3,000 left. Was made 2,030 bucks. Look at that. Yeah! Flat 1860, boys. On that trade. Yeah! That's what we did. That's what we did. I should have made more than that. Terrible execution, dude. Terrible execution on that shit trade. Terrible.
See that, folks? That was this morning, man. That was this morning. I traded live. See that? Made 3 grand this morning. That one trade was right there real fast. Had the original Hines. Real quick for a little bit, came down, bought a bunch, just like I said it would do, loaded up, added, sold 294, added 297, added 299, went right through Hines, and made huge dollars. This is the MOJO Day Trade room, right here. That's where that all happened, right here. These are my mining rigs right here. I just built a new rig. Right there's the frame. I was just lying on the floor building the frame. This is in my garage. This is my warehouse. I just built these 3 right here. I'm building these 5 this weekend. I have 1 more rack to do. I'm on Lyra, share 10,219. Shit's been up on Lyra for a long time to be like that. 4 1080 Ti's mining that. Here's another one, 7,000 on Lyra on another machine. 4,000 on Lyra. So while Bitcoin's down, I'm making $6,600 a month while Bitcoin, I'm at an all-time record when Bitcoin's all freaking down. It's a beautiful thing. Hit our goals for the day. I got some vote coin too, 20,000 vote coin. It's gonna be my store in the mall right there. Right there. I bought Sky Coin right here. See it at $22. Crypto, Sky Coin #1 gainer on all the crypto. I'm up right here, hit target, 49% gain from 517 to 523 in 6 days. Gotta believe that. One great pick a day keeps the doctor away. And here's the great pick. So you saw that right there. This is the S-spot trade. Finished the day with 4,000 from that first trade. We traded it a bunch more times. So I finished right here with 4,000 right on the nose, and I did not trade again. I was at 34.60 at 10,000 at 301. It ripped again. That's how I put up the level 2. Everything's done with level 2. Look. So we made 1267 with Jim, Madron 217, Brian 270, Gerardo 389, Mark 451. I mean, we nailed it, really nailed it with S-spot today right in the beginning in the first 5 minutes. Bustafu 309, Ramey 671, Ruda 197, Link 810. Cord 540, Wally Boy 1410, Yitzy 270, Mar 1429, Mark 451, Gerardo 389, Brian 270, Madron 217, Jim 1267. I mean, everyone just making, and AVGR was yesterday, the same thing in the Mojo room. I'm in the trenches with the people. It's a beautiful thing. What's up, Skeleton Emperor? I'm Mr. YouTube. Thanks for saying hello. Where you from? What's up, Brandon? What's up, Mark? What's up, Elijah, Kirby? What's going on? Start the Webby. I've only done one of these this year. This is my second, even though there's not a lot of people here. I'll take my time out for you guys. You have to reply back, though, and participate, because that's the key to learning. Oh, you haven't seen anything yet, Elijah. Let me show you. Let me shut down these. This is my right here. Let me show you this. This is the my warehouse right now, live on camera. You can see that. Yeah, that's nice. So I got all my, front door. When you walk in, you take a picture, say hello, and back door. All my members get to see that live on their phone and on the computer if they want 24 hours a day. Pretty awesome. So we're going to teach you how to day trade for a living and become a pro trader. And MOJO Day Trading is a provider of stock market education. We're not a registered investment advisor, a broker, or anything like that registered with the SEC, because what we do don't require such registrations. You understand there's a high degree of risk in trading stocks, securities, Forex options, and mining, and anything else with crypto. Companies' products are presented for educational purposes only. Picks are not solicitations to buy or sell. And please note, hypothetical computer-related simulated performance are believed to be accurate, however, not guaranteed to accuracy. Everything, all rights reserved. No part of this presentation, webinar, or any of its contents may be reproduced, copied, modified, or adapted. Pro Trader Mike. Get my laser pointer going. I'm the teacher, Pro Trader Mike. These are my learning boards. This is how I teach Mojo University. I share my screen on Zoom. You log in, watch my screen. You also get to see me in the corner. I got my video going right there. You could see me in the corner, so you should see me right now. Right there, shows you I'm live. This is not a recording. You could see my recording from the other day. It was in a different shirt, and I got my Dunkin' cup right here. And it's May 24th at 8:15 p.m. Let's rock and roll. Now, my success is based on a profit system that allows anyone to become a better and more profitable trader. You don't need $1 million to make $1 million a year. All you got to do is follow the profit system. Compounding profits are amazing. I've been doing this for 25 years. I'm a master of my trade. I figured out how to win, and now I'm going to teach it to you. Day trading for a living and why you should do it. Why day trade? Because did you know the average American worker makes $55,775 a year? That's $4,647 a month, 232 a day. I want everyone to write in chat right now. Think for a minute. Excuse me. Excuse me. I would have put on my other thing like that if I knew I was going to sneeze to make it whatever. Anyway, check out your new goal right here. So I want you to put up, guys, right there. If you make $100 a day to 300 to 500, you relatively have a small trading account, or you're just starting out with 30 grand. You'll make 200 a day, 100 a day, 500 a day, anywhere in this little area, yellow into the first pink. Graduating up after MOJO University, I would expect no less to make than $1,000 a day, which is $240,000 a year. Stepping up to a larger account of $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a day, becoming a millionaire. Set your goal right now. I want to write it down. Brandon, Chibwe, Elijah, Golf, Kirby, Mac. Write your goals down. Nice. Brandon just said, still in Richmond working. I was able to get online today. Made $100 on SBOT this morning in my IRA. I'm back online. Great job. Nice job. So we got Chibwe with 200 a day, Brandon with 300 a day, Elijah 300, and Kirby with 1,000. You're all relatively smaller traders with nice starting goals. So write that on your piece of paper on top. My outcome goal is 200 a day, 300 a day, which is 72,000 a year. Now we're going to reverse engineer the process goal to get to that. Outcome goal should be exciting. Want to wake up and do that every single day. When you're 18 to 25, if that's your age in this webinar, all you need to do is make 250 a day, which is 5,000 a month, is quite the lifestyle. You're single, you live in an apartment, you got a sweet ass car, and you're doing it all the right way. Absolutely. 18 to 25, you're getting married, you got 10,000 a month you need to make, 240 days a year, 120,000 a year, you're making 500 a day. 35 to 65, like myself, you're married with children, you need to make 10,000 a month. 1,000 a day, every day you wake up is 20,000 a month. You need to make $500 or $1,000 a day. Also, if you're coming into the room in the program at 65 and older, you need to be making $1,000 a day. From young crawling into old man steady. Because we're going to do everything smarter, not harder. These are my learning boards. I hope you dig my style and you like it. And it's educational and entertainment, edutainment. Specific. We're going to make the goals as precise and detailed as possible, as you've done. Measurable, by which you can quantify your rate of current position and determine the amount of improvement needed. You're going to journal your trades and do trade reviews with me and text me your trades so I can review that and make sure you're on track with the program. We'll do that on a daily, weekly basis throughout the year. Make sure your goals are accepted. They need to be shared and negotiated with all others involved. Chibwe, you want to do 200 a day? Well, great. You could do that. If you have a $3 million account, they would say, dude, you know, that's pretty lame. You're going to make 200 on 3 million. Not good. But if you want to make a 3,000 a day and you only got 3,000, that's 100% gain a day. That's not feasible also. So you have to relatively respect the power to what you're doing and make it accepted, realistic yet challenging, a date for when it needs to be achieved, motivating and recorded. That's what we're going to do. Smarter, not harder. The hard way everyone does it is because it's 9 out of 10 failure because of system information overload. They're giving you too much information, not simplifying it in layman's terms for you guys to succeed. No mentor and no coach. I've been doing this for 25 years. Most of the guys that are doing webinars and have similar systems or strategies or whatever they want to call them that have copied the MOJO, they're 25 years old. There's a lot more that I'm going to teach you. My mission is to give you the training that you need to kick the market's ass every single day. 9 out of 10 traders fail. If you answer yes to any of these questions, you're learning on your money, as the tuition costs of trading are brutal. Your first step is right here to take the MOJO Day Trading Challenge, reach profit targets, and have performance evaluated by me to trade your own account. Did you know all the firms trade against you? It's a huge conflict of interest. I'll teach you that in MOJO University. Lack of knowledge on how the firms trade against you and market makers fake you out, not knowing how to use your buying power and your leverage and managing share size or scaling into trades, no one having a real trading system, yet everyone has a good strategy. They don't know what the hell they're doing. No one knows how to properly journal trades, record trades, handle bad situations, and stop blowing up your account. The professor will help you out and do that. Yeah, that's what we do. Some of the pitfalls of traders on why they fail is because of pre-market error. You're trading in the pre-market. You have no discipline. You're greedy. You're in a person you don't listen to. You don't shut it off. You don't scale right. You don't stop out. You overtrade, you don't maximize, and you don't know how to read the level too. It's all right there. Maybe I can keep this on top. No. So I have this right here. My mouse pad. Look, hit goal for the day, shut it off. Whoever joins tonight from MOJO University, you'll get one of these. No pre-market. I'll send you one of these. Remind me, it's not in the package, but I'll hook you up. There's not a lot of you guys here. I got a couple of those. So if you want one of those, remind me. Some of the mistakes is trading in the pre-market. It ruins the opening wave. I've already journaled 1,000 trades. You think you're going to miss something? You don't. I've journaled 950 out of 1,000 trades that I've gotten a better price when the market opens than trading pre-market. Not stopping after hitting your goals and giving it back 9 out of 10 times. I'm a master at that. I used to be. Poor scaling and not knowing how to push your chips in on pocket aces or pocket kings versus ace 5 or ace 8. Like when you first started playing poker and you got your first ace 5, you pushed all in. The guy with ace 6 beat you. You had ace 9, the guy with ace jack beat you. Everybody who plays you beat you by 1 card because you don't know what you're doing. Same size and aggressiveness on every hand. It's not a formula for winning. I teach it to you in MOJO University. My first class of MOJO University is June 5th, next Tuesday. That's why we're here tonight, because I'm going to do a live class, and all you guys need to have a mentor and an educator to supply you these tools and give you the skills to day trade for a living. Most of you will start out with 30,000 because you need that to day trade for a living with one of the firms. You'll make 5% a week, 1,500 a week, 31,000 your account will go to. Your weekly income will go jump to $750. Right there. Let me show you my compounding calculator. It's right here. So we got that right there. So I have right here, this is my mining. Let's go to the day trading. So day trading on the challenge, you're going to start off right here with $2,000 in the first week. You're going to make $300. Let's change it to $200. You'll make 10%. See that? 10, how it just changed? Look, done. We'll go 10%. 10, 10, 10. We'll do 10 across the board. 10. So this is a 200. This would be, yep, 4. Yep, okay. And then we'll move right here. We'll go to 10. So right here, you're at, I think this is right. So you're at $200, $55 in commission. The next day you're at $21.45. So this is perfectly correct. And then you're at $31.25, 10%. So this is wrong right here. Watch. Daily P&L is this times that. Oh, that messed it all up. Let's make it all blank. So the daily P&L we got 10% as the total. So we want daily P&L is $2,000 times 10% is $200. Your total is 200 plus this is that. Your commission is 55 bucks. Okay? Right there. Your next day, you're at 2,200 plus the commish should be 2145. So the next day, you start off right there at 2145 and you repeat the whole thing. Watch. So this should go 214. Whoops. Wow. Watch. Done. See that? Fills it all in. Now this column starts out right here at 2884. I copy the same formula. Watch. Oh, next, let me just replace that. Next day is this. And I copy this formula again, 10%. I make that, copy this whole row, paste it in these days. There you go. Look how that thing grows. Isn't that nice? So this one equals that. Paste in the row. This equals that. Boom. And now I can copy it down for the next three. And watch how much you make. 6,000. 10%. This equals that. Ugh, so much money you make. Look what you started with. And this is in 4 weeks. Okay, making 10% a day. You ready? Right there. You've made, started with $200 in profits. And you ended with $9,400 for the month. Right there. Total commission spent. 1,100. There you go. Your total is this plus this. $8,304, and you started at 2. See that? That's pretty damn good. Do that. Real day trading account right here. Look, 5% a week. Month 1, month. These are all the tools that are in the box. You gotta guys have mining. Here's my mining. My monthly mining right here. My monthly start with 1 rig. This is what you make every month. I got all the numbers, folks. I'll supply you that sheet. It's in the MOJO toolbox, compounding interest table. It's awesome. What is day trading? Crypto trading and all that. So you got, they use the same profit system, both based on the Heinz trade play and positive expectancy. Buying at a low and selling at a high for a higher price. Placing a trade in the same day usually lasts for minutes. That's a day trade. Swing trading is when you hold it overnight. Let me give you an example. Day trade. Buy 1,000 shares of VLTC Heinz sequence to $9 and sell it at $9.50 in 15 minutes. That's what you're going to do. And you're going to make $500 on 50 cents on 1,000 shares. That's it. Real easy. Real easy. Simple. Anyone can do it. First thing you do is take the MOJO Day Trading School. Everyone should have. Right on my website on the homepage, MOJO Day Trading, you have it right here. You could have joined, you could have watched the school. It's coming down now. I'm not offering it for free anymore. It's $998 starting when I do my course, which it has been for a long time. And then the next thing you want to do is join the MOJO Day Trade Room. That's where all the action happens. Then you want to get on the paper trading simulator and get coached before you risk your real money. Then you want to take MOJO University and graduate the course, which is what we're talking about tonight. And then you're going to start making real money. It's a 5-step system. Bonus number 1 is my best-selling video, How to Trade Level 2. See 892 by 893? See it just Hines, 939 by 42. 10, you got to know how this level 2 works. It's the basis of my business. It's $99 at your first value add. Congratulations. You got it. There's going to be 6 bonuses worth $3,484 today only by the end of the webinar. I'm married with 2 kids. I used to be a professional poker player. I have an extensive work background. I've traded for 25 years. I've had the MOJO Room since 2012. My newsletter since 2012. Started teaching in 13. I have 50,000 Twitters, 3,000 YouTube, and 2 million views now on YouTube. I've done 1,500 shows on YouTube. MOJO Day Trading Live, like you saw this morning. Watch this morning show, all traded live, SBOT, 4Gs. Discord chat room right here. That's what we're in every single day. Screen share, you get to share my screen just like you're doing now. Watch my trading platform. New traders beware. Don't screw up in the beginning. These are my learning boards that I supply for the new trader to read and understand. I teach you this in MOJO U. The morning routine, which I do every single day, scanning for the hottest stocks, creating my watch list. I'll show you how to do this in MOJO University. The trading plan, having patience, waiting for the trades. I've done the same thing every day for 6 years. This is my mantra, my method of operation, what I teach everyone. At the end of the day, I put this out that there's only 20 trading days. We're done by 10:30, and that's it. Chat rooms read only. Go do some other business, man. I don't want you here anymore. I help the new traders. I show you the buy sequences on how to buy 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares, 3,000, 5,000, and 10,000. What the Hines trade play is to trade like a businessman and not a trader, and to trade size that makes you unemotional. That's what I teach you in MOJO U, so you can get paid the money in your hand. Do you want to learn the system the traders are using to make thousands of dollars a day trading the stock market? Is it a system that's easy to follow and profitable day in and day out? Does the profit system work? Let's take a look. Well, this is all the way from 2014 when I opened the room. Now, a lot of rooms that copied me, there's a lot of rooms out there, probably a couple thousand. Where's all the millionaires if they're so good? I started putting them out 2 years. The guy hit the first million right here in 6 months. He's 72,000 away right there since 2014, $1 million in the MOJO Room. Been trading with Mike for 8 weeks, traded those 8 for a profit of 143,000. Smaller trader, 20,920 year to date. I made 1,500 this past week. I made 5 figures with Mike. You're looking to make $1 million this year with Mike and the Hines, jump aboard. You won't regret it. You want one of these houses as mine? You want a house like this? Feasible. All you gotta do is make 1,000, 2,000 a day. You can have any house that you want. 2,000 a day, no problem. This house right here is going for 800,000 right near me right now. You can have that thing for 4 G's a month. Absolutely. Here's a sick ass apartment. You want one of those? Definitely. Yeah. You want to get a sweet car? Feasible right there. Get a sweet lease or buy it after a couple of years. Absolutely. Any car you want, boys. It's all right there for you with the Moj. That's my ride. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So the power to succeed. You've got the last 6 years, I've taught live university to hundreds of students around the world, supplying my education and my profit system to all these people to understand it. and Gerardo, two of my millionaires. This guy's from Norway across the globe, has some amazing things to say. I'll introduce you him at the end. And same thing with Gerardo, man. This guy has had one losing day since November of 2014. In 2013, I taught Pro Trader Alan, my first student, how to set up his own day trading business and become successful. He's a champion. This is him right here. He texted me like 4 years ago. Curious, when was the last time you had a losing day? What's the streak at? I can't remember. Had losing trades, but probably haven't had a losing day in over a year. Awesome stats. Making the world believe we did change the curve. Awesome caddy. 2 years and 1 month now and haven't lost a day. 500 days in a row. Took MOJO University 7 times and he'll take it again in 17 as a refresher. He's had one losing day since November of 2014. You've got to believe in yourself and stop the negative thoughts. Tony, listen, it works. Special bonus number 2 is I need you to be in the chat room with me. You can also enjoy the crypto trading. You're going to get 3 months if you sign up for the MOJO University live class tonight at the end. 3 months of MOJO University. You get 3 months of the chat room and 3 months of the other chat room for $297. It's $99 a month. I'll grazie it to you for free for 3 months. It's a good deal, man. That's a really good deal. And I showed you the steps to follow. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the roadmap. The demo challenge is you're going to take and trade a small account to a large account. You'll trade for a minimum of 20 days. You got to be profitable for 2 weeks. Hit your daily goal, shut it off like I showed you, grow the account according to your parameters. If anything happens, I'll run to your side, help you out, and show you some trade reviews. I hope you dig the way that I'm teaching with these learning boards. All my students like it, and that's the way I teach. The TradeStation hardware in MOJO University, I'll show you how to set up a desktop or a laptop, preferably a desktop, so you can use it as a mining computer as well. And I'll show you how to set up your screens and use the chat room and run all the hardware. I'll show you what kind of computers and specs to get and monitors to buy and keyboards and coffee machines, everything in MOJO University for your office setup. I'll show you how to get the right internet connection. Make sure you do a speed test. I'm at 359 and 429. I got the fastest internet possible with my provider. Make sure that you do that. I make sure all my students are up and running on the fastest ponies. Paper Trade Simulator. I help you get set up with the simulator so you have a fast internet connection, opening up the trading account, downloading the platform and watching the videos, getting coached by me and repeating this until you can trade live. This is the TradeX platform. It'll cost you $99 a month. It's not waived. This is the only real-time hard cost that all the data providers charge for real-time level 2. So you can buy market and sell market and trade accordingly to the rest of the room, just like it's real-time performance for you. And I'll coach you. International traders are perfectly fine. No problem. You trade on that platform as well. You get 2,000 minimum account. 10-to-1 buying power, no PDT. It's similar to Short Trader, but it's not. And it's not a per ticket, it's a per share. So you could scale in 100, 200, 700. It's really nice. It's the TradeX platform. You get to log in. The screen looks just like mine. International traders are fine. Keep 100% of your profits and a $150 platform fee per share or per ticket. As you get bigger, I'll work with you on everything. The per share and the per ticket costs are a rate of 0.0035. So 1,000 shares is going to cost you $350. To 10,000 shares, when you're doing that, you're going to want to go to a per ticket, so you only pay $350 for 10,000. Another thing I teach my traders in MOJO University. This is the sheet that I showed you, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keeping daily track of the ROI, growing it up accordingly so it compounds for you. It's a beautiful thing, and it's available in the MOJO University Toolbox, which is also $297 that I supply all the traders. So now I'm going to show you my awesome trade play. And that awesome trade play is called the Heinz trade play, guys. The Heinz trade play. I'm going to show it to you now. It's going to show you right now how to make $1,000 every morning in just 60 minutes. What the hell's a chart? What's a candlestick? Is it a candle wick? Candlestick? What is that thing? I don't know. I don't know anything about charts in day trading. Charts are for swing trading, identifying a recognizable pattern or using some sort of whatever technical indicator and forecasting the movement over days or overnight. Charts have nothing to do with day trading. A chart in day trading already happened 15 minutes later. So if you're looking at a chart, you're taking the smart money out. Better beware. The Heinz is my magic trade play. It works with consistency. When a stock approaches a 60 number or a 70 number or an 80 number or 90 price, just under the whole number, 4, 7, 10, 33, 15, I call it the Heinz. It makes a big move through. It works in crypto, Forex, stocks, options, and everything. As soon as it gets near the whole number, momentum and positive expectancy take over and takes it through. A lot of people have copied this trade play and called it a different name. I really don't care. More power to them. They still lose in the market and don't know how to do things. So positive expectancy is what I run my game on. I'll teach this to you in Mojo University. It's about winning all the time and knowing that when you get in, you're going to win and win the race, win the war, win the fight, because you have an edge better than the opponent or everybody else. Okay? It's called positive expectancy. And I'll teach it to you in Mojo University. Understanding the level 2 is vital to my system. You have to know all about the level 2 with the bid of 472, the ask of 473. In the montage shows bid and ask price, supply and demand, and signals for the next direction. You're going to learn that all in Mojo University. Let me show you a little bit about the Heinz. This is the best trade play because, and let me just get this available, the webinar. So I just got to publish it so it can be live. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the trade play on the Heinz. You're going to buy at 90 to 95 the first time. Then you're going to add on to your position from 95 to that 0 number. It's self-belief and positive expectancy. Okay? And it's going to go through the even number, 39.97. See this 103 down here, the big number on the ask? That's bullish. It's 80% accuracy. I'll show it to you. Watch. And we're going to sell through 04, 09, 19, 29, 39, 44. So I cover you on the buys. I cover you on the sells. 80% accuracy. Follow these 2 rules and you can be 80% accuracy. Number 1 is the trend is your friend. Number 2 is the stocks in motion, stay in motion. A big ask is bullish. See down here at 947, the 241, 1406. It goes right through that in 6 minutes to 252. See the big bid is bearish. See the 1502 on the left, 201. It goes right down from 17 to 24 million shares, and it gets crushed 30 cents. It saves you heartache. You know which direction the stock's going to move 15 minutes before it does it. Let me show you. 891 to 99. I want every single person right now to write it down, and you're going to buy 1,000 shares. Everyone write it down. 1,000 shares, and you're paying $9. Just do a market order. Who cares what you pay? It's a Heinz. Go ahead and do that. 1,000 shares. Go ahead. And you're going to pay the market $9. You ready? Here it goes. You're in 9-4. There it is, 903. You see the sides of that ask at the high? If I showed that to 1,000 people, 998 wouldn't buy it, but I just did. Look, it went from 941.13 to 941.30, went right through that. See that? 903, 913, 936. 949, sell half here, 953, 969, 982, $10. We're flat at 1019 within 15 minutes. That's the Heinz trade play. Right here, 270 by 271, large ask right there. You want to buy market order twice. You want to buy 1,000 shares, 275 and 290 right there at that ask. And if you do it 932.04, don't hesitate. Just do it. Buy. It's 270. Now it's 370. Yeah, look, 270, 370, and the volume to do it. Even big stocks do it. See this 21 on the ask on SunPower? It's going to go right through 4.5 million. Boom, 4.59. See that? 21. Boom, went right to 21.44, right through Heinz. See this 790 by 794? The big ask at 8? Buy it. It's 1051. There it is. Look, 1051. Boom, 830 right there. 794 to 830 from 200 to 700,000 shares. Omer right here. See it? 2410 to 2419. See it? It's going lower. Look at the 24, the 188. It's a big bid. It's going lower. You don't want to buy that. Watch. 2351, 937. Market's opening. You're going to get skunked if you don't see that big bid. Like the other one had at 201, went to 178 because it had the big bid. That's how you know which direction the stock's going. I've been doing this for 25 years. I know how it works. 2597 by 26 on JD.com. Going right through Heinz 26 is going to blast through that big number at 945.17. Boom, 945.30. It's right at the big number. Boom, 956, 26.20 at the high with another big number. It's going higher. Boom, 26.35, going higher. Went to 27.07 at 11.35. Magnificent trade for big dollars. Now you got this one. 447 by 448. Which way is it going, guys? Which way is it going? 447 by 448. You better believe it, Chibwe. Just saved yourself some heartache, bro. Just saved yourself some freaking heartache. You see the 533 at 477. Absolutely. It's going down. At 435. Just saved yourself a beautiful money. Great, you feel like a master now. That's how it works. Look, Apple, see it? There's 2 million shares on the ask. There's $20 million there. Which way is it going, guys? Everyone I poll, 1,000 people would say it's going lower. You better believe it's going higher. And it's going higher quick, Brandon. 99, see it? At 16 million shares. Boom, 16.2. Boom, 16 right there at 99 with the big old ask. Boom, blew right through 18 million. 99.09, 99.11, not right there. And then the next day, it goes to 100. Look at the size. 1.2 million at 100. It's $1 billion worth of stock. If I polled 1,000 traders and said, you think it's going higher or lower? They'll all say it's going lower. Well, within a minute, it went to 101. That's the difference in the quality of what I've been doing for 25 years, different from everyone else. Go look at a chart. It ain't going to work. You'll be taking me out of the trade. Aha moments, guys. I'll teach you in Mojo University the Gonzo trade play. It's so cool. Pro Trader Mike named one of his trade plays after me. I wonder what it means. Let me show you. You see this Twitter? The 45.99 on the ask, it's going to super fly, dude. See it, Chibwe? It's not going up. It's flying up because it's so damn big. The bigger it is, the more it goes. Can you freaking believe that? Look at that. 459,000 shares on the ask right there. Boom, 1802 from 956 to 957, less than 1 minute, it's gone. You learn all that in the trade playbook you get in Mojo University, level 7 and 8. You learn the V-band. You'll learn the wow trade play. You'll learn the one shot. You'll learn the Hulk. You'll learn the Cupid top. You'll learn the rail grind and wave theory. You'll learn the auto close trade play. That's super. You'll learn the green giant trade play, the lemon squeeze, the bounty, the quicker picker upper, look at that bounty trade play, the box trade play, all in MOJO University on Teachable. It's my app. So it's on teachable.com. Every time I teach a live course, it's recorded like this webinar, and I'll put it up after editing it into MOJO University dashboard. So you can watch the courses over and over. You'll have 100 secrets revealed and 50 aha moments that you need to know, similar to tonight, like you're seeing in my live class. That's 1997. After it's done, it's recorded and put in the online. There's October of last year and one other course. There's 3 separate courses that I've taught in the online. So people that are in different countries or different time zones, if you don't want to do the live, they take the online for $14.97. But what I'm teaching tonight and offering is $19.97. You're going to get a lot of MOJO tips. Like if the stock doesn't move in the first 5 minutes, I'm out. It goes down 50%, that it's not going to work, bro. Tips on how things happen. Let me show you what swing trading is. I'm teaching this in MOJO University. You need to know what the Ken Slim system is. See, it's a winning system in good and bad times. It's not a strategy. That's why I ask everybody, do you have a strategy or do you have a system? It's a system. I follow the greatest people of all time. I look at what they do and I copy them. William O'Neill is the greatest investor of all time. He developed a system that's incredible and works, used by millions of people. I built a proprietary knowledge base on top of that system and tweaked it on the small cap realm. And I'm amazing at that system. And that's the small cap Ken Slim system right here. Pro Trader Mike identifies high probability stock patterns that repeat themselves over and over. I scan a database of 8,000 Ken Slim stocks every Sunday, coming out with picks that average 6 days and 17%. It's in PDF format. It comes out once a week. These are my picks since 2013. I picked Facebook at 25, AMD at 2, LCI at 6. Look, Fuel Cell at $1, Zoma at 3 is at 30, Plug at 38 cents. Facebook's 170, AMD's 12, already gone up. Look at all these. Kerex is 30. Here's the Ken Slim. This LCI stock went from 6 to 60. The C is current earnings per share. They got to be big. Went from 6 cents and 30 million, up 700% versus the previous year. That's big. 5 cents, up 171%. And then they did 7 cents, up 600%. So I know the next quarter will be 700%. They've already done 6, 5, and 7. They're going against 2. It's a no-brainer. The analysts already are telling me increase estimates. The annual sales, 30 million, 35 million, and 35 million going against 27. They'll do 40 million. Take off these reds, move it, stocks going higher. N, new high right there. S, shares outstanding right there. Every one of the winning companies of all time had a certain number of shares outstanding before it made its biggest move. I like to find the companies that are similar. I, institutional sponsorship, mutual funds, 32%. M, market momentum, trading 5 times the volume. If you find a stock that has these 7 characteristics, the odds on you winning on a swing trade are incredible. Here's some of the ones that I've done recently. My newsletter goes out every Sunday. On Wednesday, November 1st, I bought Bitcoin services at 6. Then on November 1st, right here, you can see I bought it. And then right here in early November. And then I added on November 1st right here. See the image? We already have the stock at 6. So you could see that right there. We already have it at 6. We're going to add more at 7 and 8. See that? And then boom, we waited. The Bitcoin and the blockchain made its move. I own Bitcoin at 980. I bought it in 2016. I'm very far ahead of my competition. And what I do, here's my crypto app right here. Here's my transactions right here. I bought 10 Bitcoin at 980 on August 1st of 2016. Okay. I've been in it for a long time. I knew it was going to run and work because it was going to go through Heinz 1000 for the first time. And then at 9,900, it was going to go through Heinz 10,000. That's when I played these. Simple. The stock right there went from 8 to 64 cents. I had 9 grand in it, I think, something like that. I had 125,000 shares, 9 grand. It turned into 40 grand. I made $31,000, right? This is my account statement. I have dozens of these. $31,000 profit right there. And I have all these kind of trades. Look, this is March 29th, just like 2 months ago. I caught Riot for the bounty trade play at the bottom at 607, went to 9. Look, eBio moved through 2. See it? eBio, I bought right here at $1.83. I made 38 and 40%. I made $144,000 profit on an eBio pick from April, Friday 20th. That's 1 month ago today. There's the pick. All happens right here in the MOJO Day Trade room. I picked Blink charging at 238. Traded 4.5 million shares. I knew it was going higher. So I journaled it, and I looked in my journal because I want to learn from my past experiences. And I remembered NXTD. It did the same thing. It had warrants, and the warrants went up 300%. NXTD right here on July 15th of 2016. NXTD at 50 cents. I picked it right here. It went up 566%. I remembered that this one did that with the common and the warrants. So I knew Blink would do the same thing. So I said, look, Blink, buy the dip, similar to the NXD we did especially a few years back. And Blink went huge. And look, HEAR, I bought right here at 5, went to 18. All in this last month of May. Turtle Beach went to 9. No, Turtle Beach went to 19. I picked DPW August of 2016 at 73 cents. It went to $5 right here. I picked Net Element right here on 4/10 of 2016, the Ken Slim, 4 good quarters, got a nice pattern, fits all the criteria. I do the trigger price, adding the where you buy it, everything. Stock went from 28 cents to $34, a 12,000% gain using the Ken Slim system. Actual swing pick on Long Island Iced Tea. Look at the cup and handle. 4 good quarters. Ken Slim system at $4.97, doubled to $9.50, a 375% gain from $3. Here's SSC, same cup and handle. Look, cup and handle. Nice pattern, 4 quarters, exploded. Look, cup and handle, nice numbers, 4 quarters, exploded. Picked here, went up there, boom. It's unbelievable, the system that I have. Crypto company, I'm the only one who ever picked this one. Stock was up $4 to 22. Buy 100 shares for 2,200. Okay, in 7 days, it went to 642. Big dollars there, dude. Actual swing pick right there. So I'm going to give you 3 months of the swing newsletter for free. Bonus value add. You join the Mojo University tonight. Allow me to teach you. You'll be in this for free for 3 months worth $297. So I gave you $99, $297, and $297. Whatever it cost you tonight, the firm that I have gotten involved with for you to trade with wants you to trade there. They're going to pay you back the dollar amount for whatever you pay in your education. They're going to discount your commissions until you make the cost of the education back. It's unheard of. I approached these firms. I said, dude, how's your traders doing? They say, dude, 9 out of 10 fail. I said, well, 9 out of 10 of mine win. How would you like them trading there with you, generating amazing commissions, not blowing up their accounts? They said, that doesn't work. So I sent over a couple. I said, dude, they paid me $2,000. You got to discount them $2,000 worth of commissions until they break even. And then if they trade good, keep them on the discount. They're like, okay. So I did that. And I approached Interactive Brokers. The only Mojo University has gotten a seal of approval. I don't think anyone else can say Interactive Brokers has attended their university course, approved their content and education, made them an affiliate to give out Interactive Brokers accounts for people to join interactive brokers and take advantage of their whole opportunity. And I do it on the Dosh Trader platform for interactive brokers. And I do it through Cobra Trading, approved through Interactive. They're the back-end white label, and I get cheaper commissions and better discounts through Cobra than going directly through Interactive, and they're all interrelated. I hooked up every trader, and I'll do the same for you. Speed Trader, $350 a ticket, 27,000 minimum. You want to use Speed Trader? I got them set up as well. The tuition rebate steps is you enroll and you complete live course. You send me an email with a copy of your PayPal receipt. I will email the trading firm and you trading your account. You get paid back the money until you're discounted. You trade 25,000 shares a day. You stay on the commission plan. Huge savings for Mojo Pro traders. What's crypto trading? Dude, it's really the same as stock trading, but it takes days. It doesn't happen in minutes. I've got it on my website, Crypto Education and Crypto Watch List. I'm teaching crypto in the live course of Mojo. You want to find out about the coins? Go to my website and check it all out. I got a lot of information and research on the coins. I pick right here in the crypto chat room at 9:13 a.m. This is actual crypto trading, folks. Right here, rail grind. We're going to buy it through Heinz 15,000. See, Heinz, and we're going to sell it 30 minutes later, 800 points higher in 15 minutes in Bitcoin. See that? Boom. Another example. Watch. Top coin. It's up 300%. Let's ride it high. Stop loss right there. It's up 575%. Now it's up 650%. Now we're going to sell half. And I show everybody, look, order submitted, order submitted. I'm selling this sucker right there, half. Then it goes up 1,300%. That's how I do things in the Mojo room. See that? Kaya coin, bought right here, 1,250%. Sold, 2,200%. There's all the orders. Here's all the orders right there, guys. All in the crypto trading chat room, which I'm giving you 3 months of. Mentoring is so freaking important. It is really important, guys. Really is. Active versus passive income. The mentor is going to show you exactly how to do it and get rid of your active and more into passive. Active income is like her. You're punching the clock. Every time you wake up and go to work, you're making your pennies. It's the only time you make money. And with inflation and the government, you're not making anything. You need to be like him. And while you sleep, eat, and do everything 24 hours a day, you're making money. And I tell you, listen to Warren, because if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. I'm going to show you why so many entrepreneurs just like you are creating passive income streams, trading stocks, crypto, and coin mining. This is my mining farm in my garage. Every one of these machines currently is making $500 a month right here. 5,000, 2,000, 3, 4, right there. And I'm building. See, I'm building. Now, from there, I have a warehouse filled with them. I'm making right here $7,232 in monthly income. Weekly income, $1,687. Daily income, $241. You see it right there. I'm mining Lyra, Dagger, Hashimoto, Decred, Equihash, Pascal, Kryptonite. This is on Nice Hash. I'm doing $7,232 a month crypto mining. My passive income streams. I'm doing Mojo Day Trading, my business. I make right here $1,000 a day, 30 G's. Stock trading, $1,000 a day, but there's only 20 days. I make 20 G's. Crypto trading, $500 a week is $2,000 for the month, and I make $200 a day coin mining. My income stream right there is $58,000 a month, or $696,000 per year. Now let's get to your game plan, which I'm going to help you with. Here's your circle. Your gig, what you're doing now, make $200 a day and continue that. Do it. because after 11 o'clock, you need to go do that and make your money, what you've been doing. Stock trading will start you off with $100 a day, make $2 grand, $400 a month right there, $100 a week in crypto. And I'll show you how to make $10 a day starting off in crypto for 30 days, $300 a month. You'll be at $6,700 a month or $80,000 a year. That's a basic, simple game plan of execution that we could start off together. Make your circle. We'll have a consultation. I'll get to know you. You'll get to know me better, and we'll make it all happen for you. Because if you want to be successful, you find someone who's achieved the results that you want and you copy them. You'll achieve similar results, not the same. Okay? If Bitmain's doing 4 billion, dude, I'll take a little grain of salt. I'll make 4 million, 400. I don't need to make that 4 billion. Okay? My goal is simple: to teach you the skills and provide you the same tools I've used to be successful. Because since 2012, I've personally taught hundreds of traders how to trade the stock market, and now I'm going to teach it to you. I showed you 80% was the trend is your friend, stocks in motion, stay in motion. A large bid is bearish and a big ask is bullish. Well, 85% can be done by following these three rules that I teach you in Mojo U. We're going to trade the green stocks, trade like a businessman and not a trader, and we're going to execute the hinds with positive expectancy. We're going to hit that bullseye. I'm going to show you how to sell for profits. Okay? So you cash your money instead of freaking out on your money. I'm going to show you how to get to 90% accuracy on all your trades by following these 2 rules: keeping a trading journal, and I'm going to show you detailed how to keep it, and your tracking sheets and your goal sheets in the Google Drive. Getting 90% accurate on all your trades. I'm feeling good. You guys feeling good? You love it? Feeling good? Now let me show you what you're going to get. JT, Giovanni, Chibwe, Cody, Kirby, Mark. Absolutely. You ready? Here's what you guys got going on. Let me show you. The Mojo Toolbox, bonus number 4, $297. I have to give you all the tools. Mark that down. Wow, you got it. Done. In the bank. Free for tonight's package. Another $297. So tonight's webinar offer is lifetime access to Mojo University with 100% satisfaction guarantee. Class is June 5th, Tuesday at 8 p.m. It's $1,997. I've gotten this price since 2012. My first student, 1997, Pro Trader Allen. My online course, lifetime access, satisfaction guarantee is $1,497. You get all the video lessons. Mojo University Live, February of 18, October of 2017. Right there, there's 12 hours of HD video lessons. You could start to watch those now, tonight. Get in there. Watch February's class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before I teach it live. This way, when I repeat it, you become more of a master. I want you to watch these classes over and over. And there's a comment section underneath each course. Leave comments, please. Thank you so much. 100% satisfaction guarantee on my product. It's that amazing. Just like you don't have any questions tonight because I cover everything. Here's the deal. You're getting my live class for $19.97, that bonus 1 level 2 video for $99, 3 months of the chat and the newsletter for each $297, the toolbox for $297, and I'm giving you bonus 5, my online day trading course for $14.97. It's a total real world value of all my hard-earned everything for 6 years for $4,484. But I finance people as well. So I know it seems like a lot of money for an education, $4,484, and there's other guys that can get that and want to, but I would never charge anybody like that kind of money, because I wouldn't pay that money to somebody that I don't know that could make me money. I could take $4 grand and go into a casino and put it on black and win. If I'm real need to make money and so forth, yeah, if I lose, well, it's a gamble, but so is if I give somebody $4 grand, I'm going to go and play poker and win 10. So if I give you 4, you better make me 12, dude. Bet, or I'll go horse race, sports gamble, do something. Do something. So that's why I made it more feasible than 44.84. You're getting my stock trading room newsletter and everything with 100% satisfaction guarantee. But what else do you need? More value? Ah, yeah. Fine. I gave you that. The online trading course is $14.97. You got that. So when you join today, you're joining an educational service is the most awesome community of like-minded entrepreneurs on the planet. Don't let anything hold you back from enrolling in my school, guys. You're going to be able to start making money now. Join the chat room now. Pick your trader name now. Let me get out the link here for Patsy. Someone wants to join now, so I want to give them the link. Here's the link to join, guys. Takes you right to Mojo University. I'm going to put it in the chat right there. That should take you to it, which is my webinar offer. Pick your trader name, a whole bunch more. Let me summarize what you're getting. Okay, you're getting everything for $44.84, which is a good deal because I've been getting $19.97 since 2012. But you've been with me this long, and actually, there's more people in here than when it started. I'm going to give you a sweeter deal. I had two ways I could price it: go cheap as possible and like give it away, but it wouldn't incentivize me to devalue what I've done. But for a little investment, I can guarantee my success and more time to you, devoting my resources to make it work for you. The total value is $19.97. It's 50% off to enroll off the $44.84. $19.97, and I've been getting that since I started for 2 years. Okay, $19.97. So you got two choices: do nothing and risk fear of missing out on an opportunity. I'm not doing another one of these Mojo Universities all year. Haven't done one since February. It's the last one of the year. But for a small investment today, compared to the value you get in return and its value, stop missing out on the great opportunities. You need deserve a break for yourself, man. You do. Become a pro trader, make $1,000 a day or 1 to 5%. Become your own boss, build your own home-based business, provide a better life for your family. But I'm telling you right now, what would be the, dude, I'm not punking you. Look, I ain't punking you. You know what's the ultimate? Look, another 50% off, $19.97, plus my crypto school that I'm changing the day trading school. We're launching my crypto school, lifetime access, bonus 6. I'm giving this to you also. I want you to learn all about the wallets, the tokens, the mining, and everything before I teach the more advanced in Mojo Day Trading in the university. So I want you to have this as well for $9.97. It has the importance of a routine, open a wallet, the exchanges, the level 2s and the charts on the crypto, what to expect, quizzes, everything, guys. June 5th, I'm teaching it for $19.97. If you want, you can get no interest in full 6 months on your purchase for the $9.97. Dude, it's unbelievable. Right here for $9.97, if you apply for credit on PayPal, you'll do a monthly payment of $88. You can select 24 months for $46 a month. You'll pay a total of $1,100 or $1,000 for the $9.97, and you can finance your education. And then when you're done with it, they'll pay it back to you. I mean, I got the whole thing covered for you not to break out your credit card and get on PayPal right now when I give you the link and sign up for the course. I mean, really, I got to tell you how much it's going to be a mistake for you guys not to do that. You're getting your 6 awesome bonuses. Look, $99, $297, $297, $997, and $14.9, $34.84 in bonuses. Another 50% off, I gave it to you. 1 payment of $997 or 2 payments of $598. There's the link. Go ahead and sign up. It's the best deal. Okay? $54.81. Do we have a deal for $997, guys? MojoUniversity.teachable.com. That's my teaching site. That's where you go, and that's where you sign up for all the courses. Right there. That's where you go, and that's where you sign up for the courses. There's the link. So guys, wave theory and impact theory, don't let nothing hold you back. I'm not going to play this tonight. I want you to meet the team. They text me all the time like you guys are going to do. And there's Alan. I already introduced you to him today. I'm not going to play his video because I'm tired, but he hasn't had a losing day in over 7 years where he's been with me a long ass time. There's Gerardo, another millionaire, young from Miami, been with me for 5 years. So your new passive income, guys, make more money in a home-based business, retire early for a better life, have a nice car and a better house, play golf and eat at the best restaurants, be a happier person, go shopping anytime you want, and live a better life that you deserve. Please. Pro Trader Ants from Norway. Doesn't matter where you are or what you know. He knew nothing. Now he's a millionaire and a lifetime trader. What's it worth to be your own boss? How much would you make in a winning month? 25 grand eventually with me, 5 grand. What's it cost? $9.97 to set up your own business right now. How much would you pay to set up a franchise? That's what you're doing. There's no licenses, no insurances. Get set up, whip out your credit card. This guy did 4 years ago from the Army, very successful trader, and is still in the room and goes back and forth between the military and MOJO Day Trade room. I have a lot of millionaire traders. You be the next one. So if all this did for you was gave you new trading powers, would it be worth it, guys? Home-based business? You guys got any questions? You signing up? Who's joining? We have a deal? Who's joining the deal for 5 grand for $9.97? Best deal ever. Who's not answering? You didn't sign up immediately. You think you're working full-time? It's a big deal. Swing trade first, build it up, eventually come into the day trading, or vice versa. You think it's hard, you're scared, you're not alone. Wrong, ain't gonna happen. You don't wanna fuck it up and lose money? Of course, nobody does. I'll help you. mojouniversity.teachable.com. I'm gonna have this webinar running, guys, on a replay. So if you want to, I'm gonna leave up that webinar until Mojo University starts on June 5th. Then it comes down and I'm done for the year. I'm taking some serious vacations for the rest of the year and growing my mining operation. You want to learn to day trade? This is your opportunity. The real question is, if this even did half of what I tell you it's doing today on the webinar, it's going to pay for itself 100 times over. That's Colin. Been with me since 2014, young buck that goes on vacations and brings his family thanking Mojo. This is you guys. Do it. Don't stop. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Does anybody have any questions I can answer? And if not, the webinar is over. My email is info@mojodaytrading.com. Thank you for attending. Thank you for joining. And thank you for your time. If you have any questions, email me. Go to the Teachable. And also, it'll be up there until the 5th. I teach class just like this. Notice I didn't say you know, or stumble once the whole webinar, because I'm a master of my game and I know what I'm speaking about. And I could teach and entertain and educate you the same exact way. It's a month-long class. It's Tuesday and Thursday nights from 8 to 10 p.m. I usually run from 8:15 to 9:15 to 9:30 and I stop. That video takes 2 days to put up in the dashboard for you to watch it again. And then Thursday night, I do the same thing. It's Tuesdays and Thursdays. Sometime if I'm tired on a Thursday, maybe I'll skip and do a Friday or do a different day, but it's not a set schedule. It's a tentative schedule, and it may take more than 7 classes, however long it takes. I teach it to you. I'm teaching day trading, swing trading, crypto trading, and mining. I look forward to seeing you in the class. Thank you, Brandon, and thank you, everybody else. Peace, take care, and have a good evening. Have a good day.